Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song Good Grace by Hillsong United. As always, I'm going to play the song for you now, and then at the end I'm going to break it down and kind of explain it to you in more detail. So let's go ahead and get started.
People come together, strangers, neighbors, our blood is one. Children of generations, of every nation, of kingdom come. Don't let your heart be in trouble. Hold your head up high, don't fear no evil. Fix your eyes on this one truth. God is madly in love with you. So take courage, hold on, be strong. Remember where our help comes from. Don't let your heart be in trouble. Hold your head up high, don't fear no evil. Fix your eyes on this one truth. God is madly in love with you. So take courage, hold on, be strong. Remember where our help comes from. Swing wide, all you heavens, let the praise go up as the walls come down. All creation, everything with breath, repeat the sound. All His children, clean hands, pure hearts, good grace, good God. His name is Jesus.
Okay, so I'm going to be playing this song in the key of E, and even though we're moving around a lot with, a lot of transitions are happening, we're actually only playing 4 chords for the whole song. We have the E chord, A2, B suspended, and C sharp minor. We're going to be using the driving pattern for this song, which is a nice, easy 4-beat strum pattern. So we have 4 down strums, and then we have an up strum added after beat 4, and then we're going to repeat. Now we want to add emphasis on beats 1 and 3, so every other beat we want to strum harder, okay? So I'm just going to hold my E chord and play that strum pattern slowly for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1. Now there are a lot of chords in this song that only last for half of a measure, and that can really throw some people off. So I want to explain how this is going to work. So I'll just go over the very beginning of the song, the first transition. We start off on the E chord, and then we go to an A, and the A2, and it's, again, that A2 is only going to last for half of a measure, and then we're going back again to the E, all right? So what's happening is we're playing the E for one whole measure, okay, which is 4 beats, and then we're going to play the E again for half of a measure. So for the first 2 beats of the next measure, we're going to play the E. And then we're going to switch to the A on beat 3 and 4. And then after beat 4, we're switching back to the E again for a new measure. Okay? So again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Okay, that happens a lot in this song where a chord comes in the middle of a measure and it only lasts for half of it, and then we go back to a different chord. So I'll just play through the progression of the first verse for you, just so you can hear. I'm just going to count out the measures so that you can hear how this is going to work. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1. All right, if you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.